Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from you all. All of us want to make our children great, isn't it? We want them to be great in life. And that is why what we do? We spend a lot on them. We keep on engaging the children for this class, that class, and all. The poor child doesn't have time for his own passion. And moreover, why we do this? We do this because we had our own dreams. We were not able to fulfill our dreams. That is why we want to, or we force, we pressurize our children to complete those dreams. For example, I wanted to become a doctor. In my childhood, there was no environment or the conditions were not suitable, or I was not able to become a doctor. So, I am forcing my child to become a doctor. I feel that if he becomes a doctor, he will be great. Then what we do? We spend a lot for their classes and we pressurize them. On the contrary, we say how much we are spending on you and you can't study this or not. Here we are forgetting that how a child gets its genes, either from me or from my partner. If I am a businessman, he might be having the liking for business. If my partner is good in some art, he might be having love for some art. We are forgetting all this. We want him or her to do this means to do that. So we spend a lot and we send him to costly classes. No doubt in the classes I am not telling that they are not teaching. They are teaching. Only what is there in the book that they are trying to put it in the mind of the child. So here now, many times I feel that education has become a business. It has become a business. That is why, or there are private colleges. We pay in lakhs and we admit our child. If the child doesn't have interest at all, what it will do? I have seen some children become mad because of pressurization. They can do nothing now. That is the condition. So, it should not happen. We should find out what is their passion or whether there is an environment which is good for that. If the children get the environment and their own passion, definitely they will become great. That is why we should help our children to grow in a free environment without any pressure. And some more pressure I have seen. Nowadays, the children, many children in the house, they speak some other language. It might be their mother tongue. But in the school, they are forced to learn in English. The child doesn't know how to speak English, or it is hearing the language for the first time. So at least till 4th to 5th standard at least, I feel that the child should be taught in its mother tongue. because the child can express his emotions in his mother tongue, not in any other language. It can express in its mother tongue. That is why, at least in the lower classes, it should be given education in his mother tongue, whatever it is. Then what about English? English is very, very important because it has got a wide reach. It is a world language, and that is why it is also a business language, you can say. English is must. He should be able to speak English well. But it doesn't mean that he should be taught in English medium. He should be taught English to speak well, to read well, to understand well. You know, many of our spiritual leaders, they have become great because of English. Because reach of English is a lot. That is why they are able to do that. That is why I feel that the child should be taught at least 3 languages. One mother tongue, then English, then our national language, that is Hindi. And nowadays one more problem what I see our children are facing is distraction. We were not having this much distraction when we were of their age. Now, especially mobiles or the screen, I tell you, it is working as a distraction. And the children, you are knowing, they are just attracted to watch all that. They don't have that much understanding what is right, what is wrong. So they are attracted towards that. So we parents, we have a great role to play. When we want to make our children great, we too should be great. Great in which sense? We should understand them well. It doesn't mean that they are our children means they are under our rule as we want, that they should study, that they should do. No. Even if you force them, they will study that, but afterwards they will change their field. That is why you might have seen many of the doctors, engineers and CAs. They are in Bollywood or Hollywood or in any other fields. Why it is? Because their passion was different and what they learned because they were sincere. Parents told, okay, go for this. They went there and studied. But throughout the life, when we work, we should feel that work should be our game, play. We should like it. That is why I feel that it is the responsibility of the parents to understand the child first. Love him. Don't say that I am spending a lot means I am loving. No. Understand him. Understand his likes, his dislikes, and according to that, go ahead. If you do this, definitely your child will become great. As I see nowadays, even our educational system has become a business. Because of whom? Because of us. We can't blame others. We only have done it. So we have to take care. If we want to make our children great, we have to change our mindset and we should go according to his liking. Then definitely he will be great one day. Have a nice day.